Yeah, fly birds are cool. And so, hey, you said I could do this part.
Oh, hey, you said I could do this part.
Oh, right. What he began with is, what's cool about birds?
What's cool about birds? They can eat poison berries, peanuts, and, well, grapes. Those are like stuff they can eat. Nuts.
They can fly.
They can fly and do 2 flaps and then glide.
And they could even do 3 flaps type. And we have found out what feathers have. You know what? If I can track down one, I'll show you. It has these little things.
Missed it.
And it's very cool. Now, kick it and swing it. Bird can't fly today with the bird that flies away. It's not a wasp, it's not a bee, it's a birdie flying bee. It's a flying bird, no matter what color it is. If it can fly, it's a bird. And we don't bother that loud safely. We'll see the nest that has an egg, that beautiful full egg. We will have a bird here, bird here.
We won't call that lousy flame, then I saw other stuff.
No. We see birds. We will get them every song. We love birds, we love them, we love them. They are our best friend. They are our best friend. They are our best friends. So march 3, 2, 1, cause it is our best. You see, I learned birds from the start. I will not stop cause I have a friend. I will cheek-a-doo. Yes, I will cheek-a-doo. And I will stop soon. I will not stop. I will not stop. Cause it is the best bird attack. Cause I will see it fly. And I will see it march. And I will see it eat anything it likes. And then we'll see. Then we'll see who's the best bird watcher ever made. So, what can you say? Can we like birds and... Hey, what the... Okay, can you look at this? It just cut. See, now they're totally just... It's like it's in their DNA closing up my shop. It's like their DNA. There you are.